Folks, it's Country Boy here. Today we're going to be installing a Raptor grill in a 2006 F-150. I'll just give y'all a little peek of it here. And here it is, and that's PensonAuto.com. That's where I bought it from. And we're putting it on the pickup that I just got painted. And I'll show y'all how I do that. I drilled a hole in the hood there and back here. Can't hardly see that there, but there's the wire right there, and I run it down here on the inside of the fender to the clearance light. So because that Raptor grill has lights in it, and I want them to be on when I turn the headlights on. And another thing I done is I used a single wire, and I peeled it back, bare spots there and there, and I'm using heat shrink to cover it back up. Whenever I get the wires tied together, I'll heat shrink it, and I'm using the ground on the back side to where the nuts are going to be. So let's get to it. Now, one thing you want to do is you want to leave the screws loose in the mounting bracket so you can adjust it up and down after you get it put on, because you need it to fit right. Okay, and now then we'll put the two 10mm bolts in. Alright, now then we'll hook up the wire and make sure that we have lights on before we heat shrink them down. You always want to test and make sure you have good connection. We'll slide the heat shrinks down in place so we don't have to go back if we got good connection. Now let's turn them on. And there you have it. They're on. It's that simple. Now then we'll tighten the screws down on the back of the brackets and that'll be it. But I just want to show y'all. See, this is the ground. I have it hooked behind the nuts on each one. And then I just run a single hot wire to it. And it's hooked to the park lights. Alright, now then we'll heat shrink our insulation down in place so that the wires cannot short out. I know some of y'all probably prefer butt connectors, but I don't. I'm not one of them. I guess I'm old school. I believe in just twisting it on. But there you have it. There's the Raptor grill and a 2006 Ford F150. I'll turn the lights on so you can see them. And just for some of y'all that don't know, this is the pickup that I painted in the paint booth the homemade paint booth. No, it's not a professional job, but I'm not a professional. But I'm pleased with it. Just give y'all a little video over here. And if you like it, well, like it, subscribe, share, whatever. You know, I just want to give y'all a little peek of it. And yes, the windshield's busted, but it was busted when I got it, and that will be replaced before I get rid of it. So, that's probably next week. I'm not going to be doing that though. I'm going to pay a guy to do that. All right, thank you.